I want to show you now. Today I prepared this pigment powder with the egg and the milk, water mixed together. I use this our food mixer, 7 liters to mix like this. First, I will introduce our automatic donut machine. This is a 6 row, and we have 2 models. One is 6 rows, another is 4 rows. This is automatic. You see this control panel can set the temperature. Normally for the donut is better 118 to 220 degree, and the time. Now I set each round is 25 seconds. Counter reset. You can pass this to reset another data. The heating lamp. Now you see I turn off, turn on. The second is the heat. Just heat the oil, and this is auto. So now we can see. Wow, it's coming. Each round is 20 seconds. This donut is 45 mm diameter. The logwood one I take out.